Did you ever realize that our breath is one of those rare processes which are both voluntary as well as involuntary? The way we feel has a very profound influence on how we breathe, and the way we breathe can actually impact the way we feel. Our breath work is one of the major factors in any of our wellness practices. So today let's talk about alternate nostril breathing. We have got the right nostril breathing and we have got the left nostril breathing. The right stands for masculine energy. It stands for the sun. The left stands for this feminine energy. It stands for the moon. The right nostril breathing helps you to energize yourself, to stimulate yourself, to help you get energy. The left nostril breathing is used to calm yourself down, to help you relax. The right nostril breathing can be done before your meetings to really excite and stimulate you. It can be done before you have your food to really help improve your metabolism and digestion. The left nostril breathing can be done after you've had your meeting or after you've had an argument to help you cool down, and also before your bedtime to help you sleep better. The right nostril breathing is excellent for people who are feeling low or experiencing signs of depression. The left nostril breathing is excellent for people who are prone to panic attacks or anxiety. And the best way is to manage both of them together, and that's through alternate nostril breathing. There are various studies about the effect of alternate nostril breathing to balance all your energy levels. And the approximate number of rounds that the studies have suggested is around 25. And we can help improve this by doing it 4 times a day. So alternate nostril breathing 4 times a day, or using your right nostril breathing to help you energize yourself, or your left nostril breathing to calm yourself down. Hope this really helps you. Take care.